Juvia here. To my subscribers, welcome back, and for those of you who will be subscribing, a big thank you. So today I did a look using the Morphe 35V palette and the Juvias Zulu palette, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing much to say, but I'm not really liking how this look came out, but it's still cute somewhat. You know what I mean? So yeah guys, I do hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Everything I use will be listed in the description bar below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe everyone. And I do hope that you enjoy this video. Okay guys, so for my lid I already used my NYX white eyeshadow base, and my brows I did off camera. I do have a detailed eyebrow tutorial, and that's in the description bar below. I'll be going in with this red shade from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'll be putting that over the yellow. I'm just going back in with the yellow just to bring it out a bit more. Also guys, I'll be going in with this deep purple color right here. It looks a bit plummy. And this guys is to just deepen the crease color a bit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut my crease with my NYX white eyeshadow base. I'm just patting the eyeshadow base in, and I'm just taking up some of the product so it's less tacky. So the first color I'll be using is this white color right here. Next color I'll be using is this yellow shimmery color. I'll be going in with this purple color at the end. Okay guys, so I lined my eyes and I applied my lashes, and for primer I used the MAC prep+prime. And guys, I recently started using this and it is very good. It is such a good product and it gives my face a flawless finish. For my foundation, I'll be going with the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, and this is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. There we go. And I'm mixing it with the Mary Kay Timewise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation, and this is in the shade Bronze 4. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige, and this is for my highlight. For my face, I'll be going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my highlighted areas. Okay guys, so I lined my lower lash line and I'm going in with these two colors right here. This blue and this purple. Okay guys, so I'm just going to brush away all of the excess powder. For my blush, I'm using the Saharan Blush Volume 2 and I'm taking this orange shade right here. So guys, for my highlights, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I am using the shade, let's see, yes, I'm going to go in with bronzed. Hey guys, so for my lips, I'll be using the Estee Lauder lip gloss and it's in the shade 11 Blush.